Hi, this is Balaji from Vanakkam, Germany, and today we are going to talk about the taxes on the investment in Germany. Many people are thinking it's a very complicated process while declaring the profits from stocks, ETF while doing the tax declaration. But that's not the real fact. In this video, let me explain you how the taxes on the investment is calculated, which brokers are really beneficial and which set of people must not require to pay taxes. Yes, you heard it right. There are certain group of people who do not require to pay taxes on the profits. People who are not aware about me, myself Balaji from Vanakkam, Germany, we make videos all about Germany to make the expats life easier. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to get regular updates. If you're ready, come, let's get started. If you are planning to start investing stocks or ETFs or set up a regular savings plan, I would recommend to start using the scalable capital because it is more cost effective and also more cheaper for people who do intraday trading, and also setting up a savings plan is completely free of cost. If you like to open a free account, you can also click the link which is given in the description. In this way, you can also support our works at free of cost. Which taxes do come on investment? Taxes are basically paid only on the realized profits. Realized profits could be either from the income earned through the dividends, interest earned through the fixed deposit, or else the realized capital gains from selling the stocks and few more. To make it more easier to understand the term realized profits, let's assume you have purchased a stock for 1000 euros and this particular stock has been increased to 1200 euros. If you are going to sell it, the realized profit over here is 200 euros. The taxes will be levied only on this 200 euros, not on the whole 1200 euros. This is the simplest way to explain what is the realized profit. Since January 1, 2009, the income earned through the private investment has been subjected to the Abgeltungssteuer, which is called the withholding tax in English. I would say that this is a very good thing. By introducing this, everyone pays a flat tax rate on the profit one have earned, which is 25% of Abgeltungssteuer plus the Solidarität which comes to 26.375%. If you are also a member of the church, then you need to pay the Kirchensteuer to it. Earlier to 2009, it was called as Kapitalertragssteuer and it had a variable tax, and one must enter every single details of the trading in the tax declaration. Thank God the new law made it more simple for us. We don't have to enter each and every transaction and check out how much tax I need to pay. Is there any option to save taxes on the profits earned? Yes, there is something called the Vorabpauschale, which is beneficial for all the private investor, which helps to save the taxes on the profits earned through the above investment method. For example, for the singles, profits for up to 1000 euros and for married couples up to 2000 euros. Earlier it was 801 euros for singles and 1602 for the married people, and starting from year 2023 this limit is increased from 801 euros to 1000 euros for singles and 1601 euros to 1602 euros to 2000 euros for the married couple. Any profits earned up to this limit is completely tax free. In order to get this benefit, one must apply for the Freistellungsauftrag. This can be applied directly in your bank where you are holding your stocks or you have done your investment method. You can mention the limit up to which no taxes must be collected. Banks automatically transfer the Abgeltungssteuer to the tax office in the event of the profits. This is something similar to the Quellensteuer, where the tax is collected at the source and transferred to the Finanzamt. To make it more simple for you to understand, when the company transfers you the salary in the end of the month, you receive only the netto, and the tax is paid automatically to the Finanzamt. In the same way, where the bank takes the responsibility to hold the tax and transfers it to the Finanzamt. You don't have to do anything in this particular case, but make sure you are holding an account in a German broker and not in a foreign broker. Most important, this Abgeltungssteuer option is available only in the German broker trading platform. By entering the details and confirming with your normal TAN, you make sure to inform your German broker. Please take care of informing that taxes need to be paid to the Finanzamt automatically. If you have not informed your bank regarding this Freistellungsauftrag, taxes will be placed on the complete profits. But do not get worried, you can claim back your taxes by doing the tax declaration in the end of the year by filling the Anlage cap during your tax declaration, which is going to be an additional paperwork. If you want to avoid this, you can inform the bank before in hand and avoid this paperwork. This option is not available in the other trading platforms like DETORO, Trading212 because they are not a German trading brokers. In the end of the year, you must do the tax declaration by filling the Anlage cap on your own, which would be little tedious job. As long it is going to be 1 or 2 stocks which you have purchased, then it should not be fine. You can also get the summarized slip or the summarized profit loss statement from the bank brokers. You can enter these details in the concerned unlike cap under corresponding section. Additional info. For people who are having depot accounts in the different banks, you can also split this Freistellungsauftrag amount with multiple banks. Assuming you are single who have an option of saving up to 1000 euros for the year 2023, in bank A you can keep 200 euros as a Freistellungsauftrag, in bank B as 300 euros, in bank C you can keep the remaining 500 euros. So profits earned over in these banks up to this above mentioned limit can be completely tax free. You can also change the values multiple times depending upon your situation. An easy tip. Try to place the amount in the bank where you will be getting more profits, because someone will be keeping only an ETF which is for a long term investment. Some people will be doing the intraday trading. Some people will also invest in stocks for the long term trading. Based on your strategy, however you would like, you are investing in the past, try to set a Freistellungsauftrag over there. In our case, I have 3 to 4 depot accounts and my wife has only one particular depot account. So sometimes I do the intraday trading in one particular depot account since it is also cheaper for me. In other trading account, I invest only the ETF. In other trading account, I invest only stocks for the long term strategies. Based on your individual strategy, you can also choose the alignment however you wish. Coming to the last point, which is important fact for people who won't be paying such taxes. For the people whose income is very low and whose Abgeltungssteuer starts, which is the individual tax rate is less than 25%, does not make more sense to pay taxes on the profits you earn. This is the best solution for these people. It's called Nicht-Veranlagungsbescheinigung. One can apply for this Bescheinigung at the nearest Finanzamt and inform them that your tax rate is less than the Kapitalertragssteuer, so that you don't pay taxes on the profits you earn. This is more useful for students and people whose income is very low. Next point, Vorabpauschale. Coming to the taxes on the ETF investment, since 2019 there is a new concept for taxes on the ETF funds is coming into practice. This is called Vorabpauschale. Taxation is done little differently. I have explained the taxes on the ETF in a separate video. If you haven't seen that video, kindly check out in my cards. That's all about the taxes on the stocks in Germany. I hope this video helped you to understand how the taxes on the stocks has been calculated and which set of people have really benefited out of it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this video to your friends. I will catch you in one other interesting investment video. Until then, bye bye from Vanakkam, Germany, Bala.